been a lackluster year for equity markets in 2025. Amid continued geopolitical tensions, US import tariff related uncertainties, and a sell off by foreign institutional investors in stocks have given tepid returns this year, lagging asset classes like gold. However, these seem to be closing in on the year end on a high. On Thursday, the 30 share BSE Sensex hit a new all time high of 86,055.86. The Nifty 50 index also hit a life high of 26,310.45 before pulling back. Now let us know what is driving the renewed investor enthusiasm in the stock market. In the last few days, hopes have risen that the US Federal Reserve will cut interest rates in December. With the retail inflation in India declining to multi-year low of 0.25% in October, there is also a growing expectation that the Reserve Bank of India will reduce the repo rate by another 25 bps next month. Already in 2025, the repo rate has been slashed by 100 basis points. Crude oil prices have declined following renewed hopes of a peace between Russia and Ukraine, and that will further aid India, which imports much of its oil. That has also lifted sentiments. India is also entering a long-awaited earnings upgrade cycle and point market analysts. Earlier, the government had been doing the heavy lifting through huge infrastructure investments. The income tax relief announced earlier this year, coupled with the recent GST rationalization, is now driving a strong rebound in consumption from daily essential to cars and two-wheelers. The wedding season currently underway should further boost consumer demand. In this backdrop, earnings upgrades have now begun to outpace downgrades. This will further attract investors. PL Capital sees Nifty scaling to 29,000 in 12 months, while it could touch 30,548 in case of a bull run. Goldman Sachs too had recently upgraded India to overweight and also sees Nifty at 29,000 by end of 2026. HSBC is also overweight on Indian equities. It stated that the worst is over for Indian equities and that the lower inflation, rate cuts, and income tax moderation is supporting earnings growth recovery.